What's up guys, today's video is about the top 5 best laptops for under $500 of this year through extensive research and testing to put together a list of options. So what are the price, performance, and particular use? For more information on the products, do I have to include the links in the description box below which is updated for the best prices? Like the video. Do comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Number 1. Lenovo IdeaPad 3 15 inches laptop, best laptop for under $500. Lenovo IdeaPad 3 15 inches laptop is the latest laptop from Lenovo with a 15.6-inch display and weighs 4.2 pounds. The laptop has an Intel Core i5-8250U processor with 8 GB of RAM and 1 TB hard drive storage capacity. The IdeaPad 3 features an HD webcam that can be used to chat with friends or family over Skype or FaceTime in high-definition quality, plus it comes with the Lenovo companion app that helps you stay connected to your favorite social media sites like Lenovo's. IdeaPad 3 15 inches laptop is a sleek and powerful laptop that offers a great balance between performance and price. It has an Intel Core i7-8550U processor, 8 GB of DDR4 RAM, and 256 GB of SSD storage. This laptop offers a lot of power for the price. The Lenovo IdeaPad 3 15 inches laptop is great for those who want to do some light gaming on the side but don't want to spend too much money on their laptop. The Intel Core i7-8550U processor combined with 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of SSD storage makes this laptop perfect for gamers on a budget. This is also the best laptop for under $500. Key features: 8 GB RAM, 256 GB hard disk, Core i3. Number 2. HP 14 inches touchscreen home and business laptop, best laptop for under $500. This is another best laptop for under $500. The HP 14 inches touchscreen home and business laptop is the perfect laptop for people who are looking to buy a new laptop. It has the right balance of features and price, making it an ideal choice for those who want to purchase a new computer without spending too much money. The HP 14 inches touchscreen home and business laptop is an affordable touchscreen laptop that can be used both at home and in the office. With its large display, this device offers plenty of space to work on spreadsheets or watch videos. It has an Intel Core i5 processor, 8 GB of RAM, and 128 GB SSD storage. It has the ability to switch between functions quickly without having to change the device or settings. HP 14 inches touchscreen home and business laptop is a laptop that has a touchscreen with Windows 10 operating system. This is also the best laptop for under $500. Key features: 8 GB RAM, 128 GB hard disk, Windows 10 operating system. Number 3. Acer Aspire 5. A 515-46R3 UB laptop, best laptop for under $500. Acer Aspire 5. A 515-46R3 UB is a laptop that is perfect for everyday use. It has a 15.6-inch Full HD display. The battery life is also great, lasting up to 8 hours on a single charge. The Acer Aspire 5A 515-46R3 UB has a wide variety of specs that would make it an excellent choice for many people looking for an affordable laptop with great performance. The Acer Aspire 5A 515-46R3 UB is a 15.6 inches laptop that has many features that make it a good choice for the average consumer. It also includes an NVIDIA GeForce MX 150 graphics card with 2 GB of dedicated graphics memory, which makes it great for video editing, gaming, and other demanding tasks. The battery life on this laptop is pretty impressive too, up to 10 hours of battery life. This is also the best laptop for under $500. Key features: 4 GB RAM, 128 GB hard disk. Number 4. ASUS VivoBook Flip 14. Thin and light 2-in-1 laptop. ASUS VivoBook Flip 14. Thin and light 2-in-1 laptop is a light and thin laptop that can be converted into a tablet. The ASUS VivoBook Flip 14 Thin and Light 2-in-1 laptop is an excellent choice for anyone who needs a laptop that can be easily converted into a tablet. It has a powerful 8th generation Intel Core i5 processor, 8 GB of RAM, and 128 GB of SSD storage. It also has an impressive battery life of up to 12 hours on one charge. The ASUS VivoBook Flip 14 Thin and Light 2-in-1 laptop is the world's thinnest and lightest convertible laptop. The VivoBook Flip 14's innovative design means it can be used as a tablet or a notebook with equal ease, making it perfect for both work and play. The ASUS VivoBook Flip 14 Thin and Light 2-in-1 laptop is designed to be used as both a tablet or notebook with equal ease. With its innovative design, the VivoBook Flip 14 can be used anywhere, at home, in the office, or on the go. This is also the best laptop for under $500. Key features: 8 GB RAM, 64 GB hard disk, Chrome OS. Number 5. Dell Inspiron 3583 15 inches laptop. Intel Celeron, best laptop for Cricut under $500. The Dell Inspiron 3583 15 inches laptop. Intel Celeron is a laptop that has a 15.6-inch screen and an Intel Celeron processor. The screen is high definition, which ensures that you can watch videos and play games in full HD resolutions. It also comes with Windows 10 Home, which means that it has all the latest features such as Cortana, Microsoft Office, and OneDrive for free. The Dell Inspiron 3583 is the perfect laptop for students and professionals who are looking for a budget-friendly laptop with excellent performance. The Dell Inspiron 3583 is the perfect laptop for students and professionals who are looking for a budget-friendly laptop with excellent performance. It comes with an Intel Celeron processor, 4 GB RAM, and 500 GB hard drive. It also has a 15-inch screen size that comes in either HD or FHD resolutions. This is also the best laptop for under $500. Key features: 4 GB RAM, 500 GB hard disk, Windows 10. If you enjoy this video, like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon for more interesting videos like this.